Good morning, first graders. Today is Monday, May 18th. I'll be available for office hours from 11:30 till 12 o'clock and would love to see all of you. I hope you enjoyed the rainy weekend and found something fun to do. I'm looking forward to seeing what you learned today. Have fun. Love, Miss Rimride. For your greeting today, you can do your secret handshake. I believe we've done this before, so you should already have one that you've done with a family member or a pet or something, so you can either do the same one or come up with a new one. For sharing, you can comment on our post about what is something that you've done lately that you're proud of. So I'll say that again. What is something you've done lately that you're proud of? And lastly, for your activity, do 15 star jumps. So you're going to start with your knees bent and your hands down, and then you're going to jump up so your feet are off the ground and your hands are in the air and you kind of look like a star. All right, they're kind of hard, so I hope you can do well. Have lots of fun, and I'll see you guys later.